got this Ford F-150 tail light. Check that out. It's filled up with water. The light bulb is buried and that's no good. So I'm gonna make sure this doesn't happen again. I'll just pop the tailgate down to gain access to the inside of this. And I just have an 8mm on there. Got a fastener there and a fastener there. I'm gonna pop both of these off. Now this thing will just pop right out. There we go. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take and drill a hole right in the bottom of this, right there. See all that water in there? There it is, it's just draining out of there. You can see my hole right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put another one right over there too. Now it'll come out of there a little bit better. There, much better. Thanks for watching, everybody.